Hello, welcome back to my channel. I like to introduce you my new paper collection, Celestial Moth. Stay tuned. Okay, first of all, I like to tell you about my paper packs. They are always having 6 sets in one pack. One pack has 78 sheets, 12 double-sided, plus the cover has also a nice back. So in total 78 sheets, guys. And yeah, if I do my tutorials and if I tell you about one set, then this is what I mean. A set is 13 papers. That is always what I like to use doing the tutorials. First one, then goes to the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth. Alright, that's how I work. So let's dig in. Okay guys, so what can I tell you about this team, the Celestial Moth? I have no idea. I just loved, I love everything around it. The mysterious, the mystical, the dark side, but also still the beautiful size of it. So, but yeah, let's just get started. So my covers are normally always having some pictures, but this time I just made one large one. Absolutely love this combinations. And then yeah, the cover is always saying which papers are inside. Let's go to the back. Yep, what can I tell about this? It's nice. It's really like the vintage colors of this one. Easy to be used. That's normally always the case if I do a back cover. I like to use a design that you can use for all pages. Okay, so that's my first one. Let's go to the other side. So the next one is a nice dark one. Dark, yeah, it's not that black, it's really dark blue, with the moths and the flowers and the moon and everything. I really like this. You still can cut out these images if you like. That's totally up to you if you like to. Easy to make cards with. Love this one, absolutely stunning. And then the back, that's my first sheet of the cut apart card. There are loads of them in this team, in this collection. So the first thing that you see is the mystical, the mysterious, the mystical pages, the cards, the images. Really like it. I really could not resist using also some humans in here. Some nice one with the moon and everything. I really like this one. So cute. Yeah, what can I tell about all these images? They are adorable. The green, blue, the purple, well, the aubergine purple. I really like this image is also so amazing. I really like it. And you all know I do love butterflies. I absolutely adore butterflies. So a moth definitely needs to be in one of my collections. So that. And then this one, it's busy, but still with the nice blue green color combination. I really like this one. Easy to be used on everything, backgrounds, fronts, pockets, stripes, whatever you want. And then the back, here we have that, yeah, I just call it the blue. It's not a blue, it's not a green, it's in between. I really like this one. Very busy with the little moons and stars at the back, but still very easy to be used. Could not resist adding a nice moth in the corner with the moon in the background. Really like that. And then the next blue-green one, of course, you all know I like to use ornaments in my papers, and I just love this one. Still easy to be used. So adorable. And then the back, there is another ornament, but then I just flipped the colors around. So we have a nice beige background with this beautiful blue-green ornament at the front. Easy to be used. Then we go to the purple, the aubergine purple side. Here we have the moth and a nicely grungy background. Really like this one. You also can cut these for strips if you want. Easy to be used, like this one. It's a nice little strip, so you can glue them on your pockets. And maybe you're gonna cut out this big one to put on the top. I just have so many ideas already. Then the back, of course we do need also some solid papers, but I do not like fully solid paper, so this one is with a nice moth in the back with just a nicely lilac color in the front. So I really like this one. Then we have, of course, a dark one. I could not, this is also so adorable. So it's a really dark blue, blackish background with the moon, and again that aubergine purple moth in the front. Easy to be used. Absolutely love. And this also you can cut out as a strip if you want to use that. And then of course a stripe. This is a nice light one. Like this image a lot. This is, I think, just a butterfly. I don't know exactly. Anyways, the grungy touches with everything. I really like the lilac and still the aubergine coming back in this page. Love it. Then we have another cut apart card tag page. Yeah, I'm just, there was so much to see, and I hope you can get this on camera, but I love this little flower. Really, again, I just love it. The nice lady right here again. This image, I just love that. Would be cool for a nice flippable waterfall or something. But cards, birthday cards, whatever you like to use these for, are absolutely stunning. Then the back, yeah, this I need to explain. I definitely want to add some quotes, but I do not want to use a full sheet, so I just picked out a page that you still can use fully with this nice aubergine purple background with a lilac little flower at the front, but I chose this one to add some quotes at the bottom, so you still can use that. So, in nature nothing exists alone. Be the flame, not the moth. Stay weird, because a moth is not a, yeah, it's a weird creature. A bird to cage or a moth to fly. Don't forget you are beautiful, because I don't know if you are knowing it, but a moth is not looking very beautiful, but still, don't forget you are beautiful. It's a very nice creature. The magic is you. Let your dreams be your wings. Never be afraid of change, because moths do change a lot. In the shadows I find my light. Life is a series of 1,000 tiny miracles. That's absolutely true. Shine within and you are magical. Yeah, I could not resist adding those quotes. So that is for this page. Let's go to the blue side. This I absolutely love. Yeah, you can use it this way, this way, this way. It's totally up to you which side you like to use. I like the blue. It's a very vintage blue. Let's go to the back. This one is a very easy one with the little leaves and grungy beige on the background. And then we have a nice strip at the bottom with this moth right here. I absolutely love this page. And then we have another blue one with a nice ornament. I love this one, absolutely stunning. And the back is of course also a solid page in my opinion, with a little flower at the front, same as the other one with the quotes on the bottom. And here I have a nice strip also made with moths. So it's very cute. This is one of my favorite pages because I love solid ones. You can still write something down. You still can add a little picture on here. But I really like the colors. The blue comes back. The green comes back. This one is a nice purple one. Beige. I absolutely love journaling cards. Alright, and then for the back, a nicely grungy with all kind of splitch splatch leaves and everything, a nice grungy page, easy to be used. And of course this image is adorable. Love that. It's very easy going. Then of course we also have a brown section. I don't know, but I also, most of the times I add a brown section because it just fits with all. And this is just a funny page with all the grunchiness, the grungy edges, some lyrics are here, and some flowers. It's very funky, I really like it. And of course I could not resist adding another picture in the corner. You always can cut these out if you like. Easy to be used. Then a very solid one with just tiny little brown dots, and then in a diagonal version, and of course another little image in the corner. Then we have our last cut apart card page sheet. Again with so many cute little images and cards. I love the ones with the humans in it. So cute, this one. I absolutely love this. So adorable. And then at the back we have a nice light one, but still we have some moths on. Easy to be used. You still can cut these all out if you like. And then the last page, another grungy vibe, but still the blue comes back in this one. Really absolutely adore this one. And of course I could not resist adding another beautiful moth right here in this corner. Love this page. This is one of my favorite ones. And then the back, of course a nice brownie one with again some ornaments at the front with a beige color, and again a nice image. There were so many images I could not resist not using them. Alright, so that is what this paper collection is, the Celestial Moth. So I hope you're gonna enjoy the papers, and yep, see you next time. Bye bye. Oh, PS, if you want to get them, just send me an email, guys. They are also to be received in a digital version if you don't like to ship these to your house, but I also have these to ship to your house. So just email me, but let me first start the project. So stay tuned.